free German mem ako outside ako the Champions League no coach a friend Joe Hanks. At the time Real Madrid team my friend Juventus at the Amsterdam Arena in 1997-1998 Pedrak Mijatovic goal. Two coaches are Omaji Champions League or Mufi South America in Argentina. Luis Canidia winning twice for Real Madrid. And then Renato Herrera winning twice for Inter Milan. After him, Inter got dead until Jose Mourinho. So the El Grafico and Luis Canidia are two coaches at Mufi Argentina Omaji Champions League for South America. The coach no Babebo Fana in Madrid no. A coach a friend Mauricio Pochettino or into free Argentina. Until the record back the Argentine coaches in final. Jürgen Klopp and so Macase Johannes and Kwana German I will feel club. Ako baby or team ako the Champions League. And even after winning the Champions League, he was asked from team friend Madrid. King, the key decision today, a Hurricane. A Hurricane. But in the Champions League, the game is played in midfield. Into how will coach a friend Mauricio Pochettino ever see him you know?
Against Ajax, now then wins are back.
Harry Wings.
Harry Wings are back. So I think say my coaching about options. Sissoko, okay. On the answer the be over ball. When yama, sir, I kakra. So this especially against Ajax. On no more feel mono ball kakra. So what I say, oh yeah, slow on the ball kakra. Once Liverpool me for the summer pressing. One out on Fabino, and of course Jordan Henderson. Either I have more than the one out on back bedding. A better lunching. Again, those me for the now J Bon and no more yet. No more back. I think the one yama dear no ever had drink a crack. Is a Harry Winston, and almost about 2 months no more ball because not a sweat press. Then Sissoko. Delali. So, and she, a coach, me, the come professor, but another 3. So, the other one, I can't wait more. No, my 3. No, I say about the Lali account. So, the Lali account, made a song with me. And you look at more. What do you have? They know about because.
Yes, to me.
What so I'm between
about Karen Trippier L2.
Yeah, Trippier 2.
Then Rose or 3.
Rose or 3.
No, about at a bed never told him. 5 here. What about Wanyama Sissoko Delali?
Maybe Wanyama Sissoko Harry Wins.
Over Harry Wins.
3.
Wanyama Sissoko
Harry Wins.
Hey, there we can. Mechanical.
Maybe Wanyama Sissoko Harry Wins. Number about Delali, Mura, Lucas Mura, song with me.
Christian Eriksen bench.
I'll be Christian Eriksen when they will have a share.
Delali, oh.
Delali.
Okay, on baby.
I'm not sure.
I don't know. What's that? You're going to do it. Hey, okay. I don't know what you said to be a member.
Say,
you know, I say,
finally,
it is not different from the Liverpool midfield. So almost as a
Basana, because of Christian Eriksen, still one man is what
in this game. Can't remember why I'm a Harry Wings.
Oh, okay.
And to remember 4. Mauricio Pochettino is likely to go in for 4-2-3-1. Nti Wanyama Sissoko.
And I said Sababon.
Oh yes. Wanyama Sissoko. Now Bob Delali, Christian Eriksen, Lucas Moura, and Heminson. Me no ya say Hurricane tonight.
Hurricane is not
he's a top player for Tottenham.
It's not about top player or injury or prayer.
That's how we'll be kicking for Harry Wings.
Harry Wings, you know, we're probably 2 months. What's your po? Ah, why okay? So what you say? And I'm following game of born on so which no one which be Bobby. Was a Hurricane, you know, one on Bay and Diego Costa Diaby. Because that was the biggest mistake at a year, Diego Simone year or sitting the carrier through on the carrier. A mistake and not end yes away.
I was the same team.
Or did Diego Costa call within 9 minutes? Na injury na say nti send the changes in nti do timer e ka be 10 minutes I remember the for pressure on no be any bench obet my head as ya babu nti I just say decision dey ma sa ko so Liverpool the coach no mo
na we can Liverpool dey so we be you know
oh Liverpool fit dey me ba be hye
we Tottenham dey na probably be Liverpool
nti me dey the only ayi am wan kai wanyama by coach dey over for experience because he's a top player who experience Harry Wins. And to be a Wanyama or Harry Wins. Sissoko. Now, your friend is saying, Delali, Christian Harrison. Nami Unit Lucas Moura, I just saw with me, na Hurricane, Every Bench and of course, Eric Lamela, and your bad desire. But more weapon from bench, I don't think it's a Hurricanes or Trench a Hurricane, and as a bear, in front of saying Eric Lamela, a bear Fernando Oriente. You'll give me different options
for long balls.
Say I don't know, a 5 minutes, 3 minutes.
Long balls.
And it's only a bonnet.
No,
and it's the reason why I'm shy.
It's
The reason why, because I am crown. I'm a bar.
No more with your own.
So,
okay, what about Meba? Young for this lineup too. Yemo Wanyama Sissoko. Yemo Lucas Moura on the right, him is on the left. Christian Eriksen as number 10, Hurricane top.
That is, and then you're with team.
Nanka de la Link Continental.
Meba, the land into the trench.
Ah, the land is a coach in
because of what? Which means wouldn't go share.
Or better,
wouldn't go share. The work creating your bad.
Yeah.
The work creating your bad. We defend it better. Which means attack it better.
Was I consistent?
Was I consistent? The problem of where you're passing. On pass the ball better.
But came on the ball a day.
Or effective. Or you're players now. Or more work you must saw Monya. Or Monya. And that. So Monya set pieces. Or you dangerous or air. Obey me, I join it because when you set pieces, our central back with 2 center backs in the back. Who players or more work a crack. So what you say, John, about attack a ball. Inti me want to say or no, the city will sit here and say we see ball the ball. Who was the so called Wanyama? Now or no, a year Delalina. Or boy mobile or boy attack as some boy. So transition now another be our count Kotokono. I didn't say or the lanes are between them. They call him there for it to attack. And he is a very good player. Christian is a only creative player. Or one into also untouchable. Until now, some women who you free and the Lucas Moura we free any
Junior question.
In Jazar can't yes not trenching.
But on that same line, let's look at it from this angle too. 2 players will be effective behind the Liverpool team. You're on 2 in the 3.
Oh yes,
very very effective. The Liverpool team here can't like come on.
But today they are best in their position. Oh yes, in the sun.
Okay. I know this is not ahead of Kemik there, but
Kemik is a man maybe on the Liverpool.
Oh, okay. England Punyana come the American is the 2 and 3 for Liverpool. How many the most dangerous players for the Liverpool team against Barcelona? Say Abrante fan Arnold was key. So Lucas Moura about 11 he virtually Arnold is out. Say him you soon come right virtually when you was stop a two na air boss no was stop me. Virgil van Dijk is their main man at the back. The moment Hurricane leaves the line, what stop back on? Intinipa or mobile add up in midfield, that man midfield not also. I too. No more team come through game ahead of Tottenham Hotspur and you stop them. Now the Tottenham Hotspur can take control over the game. What about that lineup too? We were left, we were right. Oh, the answer will cast a 2 direct for top.
The idea about what I want to say, club decision by Germany between Wijnaldum and James Milner.
Can I James Milner at Overstart?
James Milner not be any pebia. Na same care I did with
Overstart
because big games not in the bar. But don't forget, last year against Madrid, the Liverpool you're lacking in say money players now how many be about Jordan Henderson, about James Milner. I don't want to count. What the Wijnaldum count? And Fabinho, I be a regular starter. Until Sessa friend back with it, but in Europe, they prefer Wijnaldum.
Naga Henderson got me.
The Henderson is a captain.
I can't captain.
On the belly job. Into a between James Milner and Wijnaldum Mubako. Because it's a one player, and I mean, was be a story beyond all catching coach and said, you'll prove in Nemo Bay again, Pasuna, which is what is ever say, so it was starting. Oh, yeah, players, nothing is only dynamic, no back, no. The ball won't to me, why I said Delali, now. One said down whom the ball shield or pass or pass, who said, no, you, but or your way, or your one player, or your may. And Finfinos as is so cool. players who pass 22 players in or no pen on the second out. Ebonabaso.
Alintia.
A year ago, it is ended. No more pamno. No more pound. Omunya. What him say transfer window no more buyer. Musa Sissoko, Omunya buyer. Omunya team of Beton.
Yeah.
Omujan crying, only coaching up, Omujan crying cries. But what body this season? That's a surprise will be. And it's also a key.
Oh, it's very, very key.
Liver and Finfio.
And what they need to get in
first yellow card is a key. Your players have one Finfio, Buga phone. Delay Dibuga, Wanyama Dibuga, Sissoko Dibuga, Fabino Dibuga, Bagone Fancy, Henderson Dibuga, Jinsmana Dibuga, Fabino Dibuga. Two men and 10 to 23.
Two mechanical met
6 mil for the snap one Finfio. First yellow card, a referee being a Yasin.
That is where you need Christian Eriksen to control the midfield. Send him in send Abikator one cover start game because in the final game you need a controller in midfield. You need someone who will control midfield and the amount. I'm a ball not to draw now about what me a control game on the field of play. Makasa, if I were to be Mauricio Pochettino, Hurricane will start from the bench no matter what. And I'll make sure say oh ball 4-4 to a dear I came in person who say Mauricio Pochettino shouldn't think of going in for a three back.
The three back, what I say?
Obo Adabed in the middle, Obo Davidson Sanchez on the right, no Obo Better on the left. 3-man defense.
No, they back on one tot here. I'm more consider going easy. Some boy tot here Martinem now. This Champions League on show. Easy. Even Ayas. Yeah, cat games are teams to be about behind your lucky cry. It's against Ayas and the Tottenham. Almost created so many chances.
We can't even know.
Almost take post to be brave. Now what you point? Almost you never be brave, but almost you like on that day. I am so much central penny very good. Then Rose you good 3P. Problem cacao. It is a old bobo now for film fiama a creative chance. Did that son and money? What I said, especially Sadio Mane. I think that the front three is the most dangerous one.
Oh, he is. And there no question about that. He is. He is. And the king in this, that is why I'm saying that. See the Liverpool attack this year fast. See them here quick. See them here intelligent. Then how they interchange their positional play. No, you don't think of going in for a three back. Monsieur Mauricio Pochettino after the game against Ajax, Tottenham first leg, you know. Okay, said the three back not starting, you know, a mistake. And quickly in the second leg, one go in for three back view or call for 4 back. In this game too, I agree you need to go in for a 4 back system. But how do you stop these players? Make sure you put the plugs on Abrante friend Sadio Mane on the right, on the left. Because Ken, Mane football no 1-on-1, 3 piano form to say the no. For me, defensively, I still feel Danny Rose to a week. And so Lucas Moura and Abrante are your fellow. Means soon in attack. Ken, the best Tottenham will defend there. They are players on between us open up. As I call left on the right to make sure that the two players that are attack for Liverpool, no, the efficient fullback for Liverpool, they will stop them.
What you two say, Tim will be running more than they will win the cup.
I can bet you say Tottenham will do that.
Liverpool run a pound.
Tottenham runs
because of left and right, you know. Robertson,
Arnold,
Arnold, run you know. Once a Salabon in America,
yeah.
Money body in America. Famino into America, we should say in Adrian on the Bobon. And on the middle, also pressing. The Bobon, the Unity, someone I owed. Maybe I will cover more distance. That's most of the place. And tell me, catch us a for a wins, make for one am a born on set or G, what you bear now or G foods and they're easy. They will all run your deal, you know.
I know that you on your side.
I was wanting me.
On the incredible.
Now, what the born, the fun, maybe you want to born either. I want to say, boy, we're America. And a bear more, a better tactical sort of. And 2 goalkeepers is your key. Because Totty and keeper is not saying money. And now don't go, come on. And their channel, you have to live up with your consistent channel.
In this final, you can count on Alisson Becker. In the semi-final against Barcelona at Anfield, it was still Alisson Becker. Before Liverpool goes, so always saves to be a year from Messi, it was Alisson. And you can trust him for 6. At the back, Arnold Robertson shot. Matip Beba in the semi-final, it was Matip. On try consistent in the last games at Liverpool abo. In midfield, what can say Jordan Henderson, James Mona, Fabinho. But who is going to be the controller in that midfield? Can I not see a keeper? In the power be control the midfield for Liverpool. Liverpool betting a Biblia. Makata say what you mean in terms of individuals you underrate them. But for a teamwork and a perfect harmony, you go in for Liverpool. And in the final, they have that vast experience to do it. In Tikoya Mauricio Pochettino, so before to assist in Fini key. So Obo Wanyama as number 6, Obo Sissoko as number 8. You have 2 players that are almost acting as an anchor. 2 players are almost cutting the blocks from the 2 centre backs. 2 players now almost quick when they pick the ball from their own area.
Why centre backs? Touch on centre backs when that time I come with you.
You can avoid them.
I think that almost struggle against players with pace.
And so meaning normally pace.
Almost struggle against players of more pace. Because now we have money to be nerves, a crown. So I ask and crowd, I tell the speed in the air.
And Hakim's the edge.
Very good. Which was an almost struggle. Against Raheem Sterling. Now we have against City. What you say, do baby, I'm wedding. And almost more money in the brain. So I have more. Almost center line like a crabby. Almost more money in the brain. All I Liverpool, you know, was a Van Dijk and Matip. It's me bar be through center line. So what I said, no more pushy. Ever said Liverpool, ever dominate game, no more ever pass the ball in there. But in the minutes of Van Dijk, if there's a Matip beating me with that pace of Lucas Moura,
I mean so.
And a soon dinner. And it's still at the end.
Okay, no, the
two English teams.
Maybe okay, the different thing is this. One, Tottenham played against Ajax. The best thing that you can do with Ajax, even with Liverpool, is to make sure Ajax will control the game and you pick up the loopholes in the team. Because too many Ajax in passing. Even you bet me a ball game about 10 minutes. Frankie de Jong can ball or bet passing. It will be more than a or 3 minutes for the secret. It's almost made for that control games. Van der Beek, that shows boy I'll pair with Frankie de Jong, solid 3-man midfield. Until they met a team that passes better than them. So what you against Manchester City, they met another team that passes better than them. In the shape of Ike Gundogan, David Silva and Bernardo Silva. Almost pass and control the ball better than Tottenham was. Into almost here 2 teams are almost pass the ball, no, almost ball without retentional play and precision and passing and movement in midfield than them. They are meeting a team that is so direct like Tottenham was. Memo Biara and Fisher in the 2 games almost boy in the Premier League, no. Liverpool is almost 2-1 at Wembley and almost 2-1 in Anfield. Until the last 2 games almost Liverpool had the upper hand of team IFN Tottenham was fair.
Oh, Tottenham. The reason Tim said Liverpool should go there. Oh, Tottenham in the quarterfinals.
They will definitely
and Manchester City.
They played Dortmund, Manchester City, Ajax.
Almost conceded Dortmund anyway. Almost conceded 4 goals
against Manchester City.
Almost conceded 4 in both home and away.
Yes.
It's an Ajax.
No, almost conceded. He was there for almost conceded me answer.
Ajax sent 3-2 and I said,
say 1-0, I almost saw 3-2.
Higher 1-3, so almost conceded 3 and I'm conceded 4. May read your motion. Okay. Liverpool, one of the best defense in the Premier League.
Yes.
And yeah, easy. So especially Liverpool.
Yes.
Goals really great. It is about 2 games from a quarter-final, semi-final games. So no consider 7 goals. I think it's a baby as a Pochettino with her. Or much Michel goals. Then when Liverpool phone consider the play, it is a Liverpool they can share. As I saw me Baba said all back against here, Ajax and a bedding. And I just a Pochettino baby as already. Son, different destiny. Now, this is only closer to penalty box too much. About how your mistakes be pray. About how fear, panic. Yeah, but I said Salah move with the ball now with speed. Not all penalty box no man. Because also you closer to the penalty box no. Then decision heading.
Yes.
Or mechanical you. As a one is
there be Kenya also almost. They also almost share in Finland. The game is played in Medford, no defense. Barcelona defense midfield 90 million survive. No more defense the good.
So why Liverpool game now in the middle? I'm not pass the ball in our contention. I'm not the ball in front of him. So Fabinho never for pass 1-2. One out on the other side, never on the before pass 1-2. Even Van Dijk beating her passing free. Eddie are left and right. So Mane on the left, Salah on the right. Into game no stretch it. Into a stretch and fin in your judgment. Some of your trainer will not jump fin fear. A bit to make Salah and then Rose from Kwa. A bit to make Sadio Mane and it a year 3 p.m. So what I say, and I make us say, Osha work creator, Sissoko is the best. And into the young man boss or all born number 8, in Toronto 3 p.m. So the one yama boa, and someone yama coboa, a year than the rules. The pace of Salah, or the one yama the rules in a kabuma 18. Pace of a young money. Ebia Sissoko could be to my day. I catch a crack. Ain't almost stretchy game no more because some more fast wingers. And then a man at the end of the year, says, would concentrate our middle Hong Kong. Baby, a born or mother born a fair banner. One we are now going middle. And almost some win bassa, or more attacky, almost an attacky. Andy Robertson, Alexander Arnold. Ain't it some firm fear? Near fine China still. And some bad baby American on the central defenders, because some more you deliver one of the
your dimensions in midfield. The cast of midfield that any instance in Kwan. Until a coach beat me about 4-3-3. Now, I shall the right side of midfield, no, the neck line that number 2, number 7 in Fifi. No, the number 10, the call line that 11, any train in Fifi. In the king, it still depends on your arrangements in midfield. So, who hit my friend, a Liverpooler? Peking the old kind of the opposite or and said, when it comes to playing the game, I'm depending on the central part of the pitch. I'm depending on stretching the game to the right or on the left. What do you do? In this scenario, Tottenham are about with a 4-2-3-1. Okay, but the game can stretch to 4-1-4-1 to 4-1-4-1 send a 1. Victor Wanyama will play just in front of the back four to be the number 1. The format for me saying you have one player stopping Abrante friend Arnold. You have one player stopping Abrante your friend Robertson. Into the format for the Naka 2.
Watch a camera some better ball. Because when Liverpool are attacking us, either somebody call left and somebody call right. Fabinho will go on the right. So Fabinho will call right and I say Fabinho will call left hand. Henderson, everybody left hand, everybody right to cover the fullbacks. So Mufabo and Salah and the ball NBA one player, they will double. Until Alexander Arnold plus Mohamed Salah. So Mufabo on the left hand. And quiet your first Sadio Mane because Andy Robertson will attack. Then Omo players say Omo Kwa Omo a show much ye did at the moment. It is Omo attack here, any one player, and never song with me. And I said Lucas Moura. What is said man so more? A best then a set what you for defending.
No,
and you say, oh, yeah, Mauricio, and now me a chasser will see Shawdin. And the only time Mauricio sorry betting me say. Say the Oja born and you're not in the body. They have young or more better attacks. A change idea. Or more for the you know more DNA I pay. The mature what you say. As a bill for the I pay. Defense, no. As a more in terms of keeping clean sheets near, or more so Kakrachenye. In the habit of goalkeeper. So one said at the city. In the age born, ye or Lucas Moura or Delali. And you're a song women, you're about 4 players plus a Christian Harrison. Oh, Mugna, be a to be show man. Amani. Set pieces about Christian Harrison, you're very, very good on the ball. So what you say? Sabo on the first row, Delali are very good on the ball. I was so young for so many corner kick and a free kick. Fernando oriented the attention when you're my Lucas Moura, Juma Panis or the ball. No, a running at defenders. Matty Van Dijk. Very tall players. Almost like you're comfortable on the ball. And yes, some players are more wakeke, only ball the same ball. And a more full bass almost 70 crab ball. It is all I can say, Obama or players now are more attacking, almost a baby defender. And just a Liverpool bed double up in numbers, right and left and right.
There's something that we call defensive transition and attacking transition. I'm talking about the defensive transition in 4-1-4-1 game. So about 4-1-4-1 game. In this one, the Bayani say a Beka nipa ba kope we ni in defensive transition. That would be him means Son with me will be the one. 4 now a beba midfield no. And no that is you spread it and you arrange it too well.
And that one you need a hurricane, not Son with me.
There can you
because one no. It depends on the passes if you middle and as you do maybe I'm fine as press on the bar. Or what to press the defenders in more mobile nearly. And the hold up play the importance. Player now you didn't coach anymore. So 1 man 2 piece, 1 man 2 spacer. Lucas Moura and Timine Van Dijk and Kuma. Van Dijk Janeci. No one jabon de Modin. Eddie Co. One Timine Matipun, yes, sir. You only get them when or 10 already. Who face you more. So what you're saying about to a yes piece, Eddie Amano. Into the Fernando Oriente. And only Hurricane as I would have played no. On the betting your master Gajabon and train players and Abba. A bassa will be defending more at the time when you be bound, so no one consider.
There we can. Oh, you are looking at one top with now, you're bossing, and you want him now, maybe. Me, Cassette, let me arrange the dimensions in my food, over me one top on us. Into Christian Eriksen back left. Hemming so bad not top. Into Christian Eriksen back middle. Lucas Moura will be on the left. Dele Alli back all right. Into in film, ye chemwa. Asaba be Dele Alli on the right to stop Abrante FN Robertson. Lucas Moura will be on the left to stop Abrante FN Arnold. Now the midfield, no, you have Abrante FN, Dele Alli, and Christian Eriksen added up in 4 in midfield. You have Wanyama just in front of the back four to be the number 1. It is a place we are obviously at a pet. Players no more ball money my better Tottenham ya stop warm. Then it turns out to be Sadio Mane versus Trippier. It turned out to be Salah versus Abrante FN Dan Rose. In the end, Liverpool double up. Now, when you get the ball, you release the ball to Wanyama. Or not the ball, Wanyama, Christian Eriksen. He has everything to be a proper playmaker in midfield. Dribbling, holding up, quick passing. Lucas Moura, him and Son Ken, you don't kick the ball in the air. Straight away, you kick the ball to space. No man running with the ball. In defensive transition, it turned out to be a 4-1-4-1 formation for Tottenham Hotspur. In attacking transition, it turned out to be a 4-4-2 setup with Lucas Moura quickly joining him, Son with me in attack. Until for Tottenham, that is the perfect for them. Defensive transition 4-1-4-1. Attacking transition 4-4-2. Straight away. Adi omo betimi aya dia stop Liverpool no. We seriously be aton there. Tactically, that should be the game plan of coach Efren Mauricio Pochettino.
That's Liverpool. Now me Liverpool there so. One decision. I got one decision. And that is Jorginho Wijnaldum and James Milner. Back home. And I can see a Liverpool team now will be in that. Okay. You know some from three is one of the best in Europe. Yes, Salah and Firmino. Against her Tottenham back four. I'm concede 7 goals in quarter final and semi-finals. A man the end ding we are Tottenham also supporter. A man is a you who be brave. So you concede goal there. Easy see betting you concede goal. They want teams on the ball or money on the boy. I think there's a more better attackers chain. A Liverpool. I also have very good players. David Harris and Ziyech and Tadic. These are very good players. But I don't think so much do a class in the bar a year you do Liverpool. A year front three. No. City front three excellent. And they score 4.
Yeah.
City team no, they score 4. The man they no so who could try better. I will win a better. They try to
Okay.
And because goes to the me want to say Yentimen cause 0-0 in the
Then 0-0.
And the first goal you key. Because now we got Chelsea in the Arsenal game. Now you back on fight Amazon. First goal. Because the first goal in my once and that teams now one day no big rule so. But first goal is a reaction. The last other of 5 minutes say they say you show first half. Do you show in Istanbul? I'm losing first half 3-0. Or can I catch almost every year? Easy because players ni bi bare before or omo dey before there e bi a player bi an track obi e bi adwuma bi a yesa Van Dijk ye wanye e bi adwuma bi a yesa Danny Rose ye wechi wanya ma consider go ade na fo bi so obi ba o free over first half over dressing room and the boy then the prof that calmness Arsenal to be and react ye after Chelsea show Chelsea did around 24 minutes as a 3 goals because at the time Chelsea show na no yanko peka nti then second goal abana third goal aba so it do the game management still e one no you are still in the game but how can you second goal ma task na e gentleman that's the coaches no so adwuma
no okay game aye kan nyina coaches no the mete a make kan nyina coaches adwuma picking your players no is very key. Intina Mauricio Pochettino say the tough task by how to drop Hurricane or so best Salatin in this game. Inti there be our game na 10 minutes. For reach Neko Basa. Coach if you want to I mistake quickly. Now I make amends. Na game Neko Basa. Inti tactics are very key in the modern game of football. Yeah, hand you did agro it's resort to in no ne bribe and those things. But tactics on the field of play is very key. How you arrange your team defensively, how you arrange your team when you are in attacking transition. Liverpool Bedford na Ken na woka say James Mona, Varnadium, Jordan Henderson, Fabinho. Fabinho is an obvious choice because of performance or the other. And on what after United getting on team, and you need that screener in such finals. James Mona is a sure bet because of his consistency in the Liverpool team and how given the best on the field of play in versatile midfield. Jordan Henderson is a sure bet. My reason is so here will be Obama the horizontal passes to stretch the game to the rings. Obviously it's him. Ball is here they can't change the obviously.
Not just the last year final 3 normal boy. Fabinho Penalty.
Yeah.
Okay.
So Jordan Henderson fretted about on Fashion Brel. So James Miller fretted about on Fashion Brel. But in Vanadum you have options. So person will defend you betting abeboa. So person will control game will betting abeboa. So person will be stretch game will betting aboa. So person will sash go small will betting aboa. On one of 4 options as a midfielder. You keep him on the bench. Maintain Milner for his consistency, maintain Fabinho for his consistency and the teamwork and the kind of reward him for his performance against Barcelona. Jordan Henderson for stretching the game horizontally to the left and on the right. Next game, near man Nisala and Ekobodia, Henderson. And the king you maintain him too. Until the midfield trend will be the 3 midfield for this. Liverpool attacking and you put to sell last year, Diano. Okay, let's not deceive ourselves. There be and you want to say last year, their top scorer is 4 goals in the Champions League. The top scorer for Tottenham was 5 goals in the Champions League. Him is soon as 4. Lucas Moura as 5. I reckon as 5. Comparatively, so dwelling in terms of Obia goals, the Tottenham attack is superior to the Liverpool attack.
Okay.
Manima, a brilliant performance against Bayern Munich, against SC Porto, and against Barcelona, he was all over. But King, let's say last year at the end of the year, Sas, ya Nasara Modiatum. I feel winning Tessa, and you and King wants on my refuge there. Check the kind of balls a Liverpool to attack and say no. Check the game in camp. 1-on-1 I hold was a Salakati ina. Said the first, no basically bend the ball to the far corner and say in February. Into almost the number of times I almost say ball within the 18-yard box to see a key. Sadio Mane, how would he set essay 1-on-1? But Maka said, when the English teams are playing at Camp Nou, but against Barcelona at their own backyard, still I almost say chances. Sadio Mane, for example. In the king, a Jumane should demand Tottenham Hotspur because they are playing a team that is 45 for the final. They are playing a team that has so much character. They are playing a team that has been consistent in the Champions League in recent times. And the team are final na omo kwa akobono masabo bida omo nimte di sibono. The only thing for them, and it's a coach FN Jurgen Klopp, finance the hotel super. But Olusu against Waimo. He met Bayern Munich, who was quality and experienced than him. Osia Real Madrid and no more players chair no sour experience than him in the finals. Into Lusu to Oma, a tough mukakra.
But it was bad against Sevilla. And for the center Sevilla, you got taking the lead in the game management. I think one coach was here since about 3.5 years now. Sorry for some time now about Sevilla. What's a game management in a problem?
Yeah.
Or shine yet. But I say, or shine it in the 80. Because we are no more kings on my keeper this season. With Van Dijk. It's a grand prefer calling some of our Dorman. Manchester celebrating as well. He's pinned in Netherlands. Then there's Ballon d'Or, and it is some of them. The presence. And one on some hero, Sam Matip. Again, Basuna, also not about Cameroon, you know. What's the Liverpool players be Brio or more unshaded or much to say, I have another Massaman Yakin, Divo Courage, and of course, a Matip. Or more contribution to this season to the Liverpool course and easy. But so much, you know, be a match of cranes and for grand can say, actually, will be above Van Dyke. No more bomb crab, you know, left and right in. By your mama to put in. That's why excellent this season.
There are two things I will ask. There are teams that function within a system. And you're born in boom. But system ne born out me function too well. Sergio Busquets is that type of a player. The system allow him to function so well. James Milner, Henderson. Obi a master of a. But when they are in their team, the system suit them so well. Sana Liverpool team jogging club I know. So Osha another. Who say Obi or the ball individually or talented. So Osha Robertson or pick ball no they buy for me Ken. He is the key man today. So Osha game no ball no new camp now. Time my coach Feno and also about who said that be player or threatening on money and straight away no push you through with that call left. Right side of the midfield. Stop here. Into oye key in this particular match I'm about to know how to wonder. Into so here the two fullbacks now. Or more dear will be here from an excellent fullback. Say ne a quite better more team be a better on Beba Boamon. I can what is the exception about Mati, if you know. In the team he plays. I'm not
function the system.
Oh, yes, King, but at least still I won't be on board himself.
Not the Nebel.
Okay.
No way.
Opera.
Okay.
They are making an individual, so you are not so now checking the qualities as a player.
And a Liverpool team is a function never players be idea. And a Liverpool team never will be Salah. Now you be a Firmino and as over now the be a money and about Kudia come. Because I heard that you player, you need players really betting and wide.
A function.
See, Van Dijk was hunting. You can see, say, oh, be anymore. But I didn't be sure, which in a was a call can do this certain equation, it's 6 no level 5. But she said, when your players almost a day, almost what that talent and almost a canon. Tis a quiesce a your known qua, some matty pomodia, or money ding, or be any more. Wow. Your Bokra camera almost crying almost of Liverpool players because system and a mom of function. Your few players are system mom function. And I messing Ronaldo money. Neymar money hazard the money those players no and it's defenders can create
can't that be
so and that be I na make can show what the other one can that
okay master there the American say at the end of Manchester City I team na Zinchenko bottle to say match
obeba sa boy no on say normally how na ye didi na ewe me share the ball too me be catch them one say me the ball or you better change. You're only £50 million squat on.
Benjamin Mendy.
Reasons they say. Benjamin Mendy, Papa not torn for a reason. For a very good cross of the ball. Or cross the ball better. Say especially or move for or say forward. What you say? Or cross the ball now accurate. I don't say cross the movie, you know. The all cross from a player and the speed acquiring. Any day or cut it by yes. And a sacran into me. On your better on that. No one say you defend your pick a ball, you afraid, you ball, never. I quite a far better than honor. But we know Dean Bebre because you're 50 million a year. Says here, your boss is here. Liverpool, could I have the Do a ball left. And the Robertson says, CA, Bako can. omo ye Marcelo Nkrofo no because ade we na be no buy and never na sama ye ken oya de che
I can't agree.
our form obibi bia che de sisia the only thing is say onu ba bia Marcelo ayede adu ba bo ayebo de sisia the best left back in the world sisia yo no anya David Alaba no because your consistency and on omo nyina so bo Liverpool team be na omo ne omo boy from 2 years ago
There be say Liverpool share Real Madrid.
Liverpool ni Real Madrid abo. Liverpool ni PSG abo. Liverpool ni Barcelona abo. Liverpool ni Bayern Munich abo. Only Juventus na ya big team.
Omo no be abo.
Liverpool
will be Juve.
Omo pen ya big team omo ne omo boy. So what I say. Enti sa na board is city say bi mu form and e bi so ya stars.
Yeah.
Luis Suarez or star. Say dey am catch them. Or ya star. Ba ball na ye body sisi e dey. Let me pick a player because I can't say I can't.
Na say can the sala mu nyina ga de Messi.
Meba. Leo Messi ball na wo bon. One say oh you consistent and a one game pe. Eyi ni team here.
Okay, football sanity.
It is offer Messi the whole season. You can sit down and analyze it. Even one game dey ni fear. We get goals almost saying no say. It to me you no quiet. Afim say when ye nipa bia mo ade. Because in the first leg, almost said 3-0, or say, 2, or 3 no. What you say? Time now went to me and she go the team there. If you do what me decide, over to make a say, as a message, the team in a day, it depends on the one she go, team ninety and function. Now no salas one shake one movie. But never push it for. Into an system no, and the more no to me here, Jumana. Because Obi a winner, you're the devil courage, I want you be. Yeah, the naba. Origin Fabo say, say, Messi and I say Cristiano Ronaldo. Nti player be a system be na headache. No player system anymore. A few players be na.
My understanding of system no. Barcelona. Barcelona defense. Ordinary. But the system allowed them to function.
Fine. Obi the Sergio Pique. Go for underrated be. But I tell you that he's a very, very good player. Defender in terms of consistency the baby and found say at the end of Buano almost system the Buano na so ojebo ayu we intercept boy you obi dribble na you you few times and go for any ball be brafa no but check number of games our the past 10 years so what you say but the nyina you find so on Busquets mo no a system na somebody national team.
It is still the system.
Maba on national. And yes, Nebo. And Ronaldo is a system. Neymar is a system.
There's a difference between individual quality.
And I make individual quality. They care about defenders' individual qualities. Or you good with born across with in the head.
Me can't say picking Nadio. I'm combining the back four of Barcelona.
I don't make care about system. All care about system. Say players because mediomatic. I don't say a system never. I'm so okay. Say system never function. And there are more players. And then come in a system there. Because Mohamed Salah at Roma. Not on the Roma players again. Even Mohamed Salah at Roma. Not Roma top player in Zeko.
And even today, if Salah were to be there, Jacko will still be
but
their top player.
But Liverpool is a superstar.
Okay,
and I'm into also a system, but you want individual quality.
Oh, my me tell myself anymore. Oh, bet him. Oh, tell myself anymore. I'm into I want him myself.
Oh, match for the.
Oh, tell me myself anymore.
I'm going match for you come with the system. And oh, ye see.
And I still like Clement Lenglet, Mobasa, no more because the system failed to function. Where were they?
Okay, you go.
Okay, send me here. And the system, when I want to when I want to system, ni mame, can't hear Nicolas Sola. What is the section about him? Until you can pick players that have individual. Salah at Roma, 16 goals before he left. Oben say a branch and a born na Auburn or talent. Until see the neighbor team be one almost year raise you and can Liverpool team now can oh there be a Manchester City play figure Liverpool Canada. A 1764 no about this mo. Aye. Nti wa come na kwa familiar say. There be Capeno. O can goalkeeper na. No aba. O check spine.
Keeper is 65.
Defense no spine or the king in the defense of Liverpool.
Keeper is 65. And Van Dijk is
70. Fabinho. Check a line.
Keeper is 65. Van Dijk here 75. Arnold you free. So started 11. Arnold you free. Robinson 8. 8 Robinson yes. And I will see you free 2 and 3 8 million. And anybody original keeper anyway. I 75 keeper 65. Okay. Fabinho 48 or 50. 50 okay. Jordan Henderson around 20 something. Maybe from Sunderland. James Simon are free. Theo free when you are. And Vanado around 80 million. Okay. Salah 33 million. Roberto Firmino 25. And about
man
around 30 something. 80 4.
That became
free team of free woman there now free 8 million.
System on quality that American one man. Some of you understand me. The system is entirely different. That is why Barcelona. It be making sure some better midfielders in Kwan.
Yeah, fair sure. And as you will remember pray. Now they didn't come out this year. See they can do any such messages now. Banemum. Mamma ko free performance when you come out this year and say Kwanza Warriors. Omo eba eye Kumasi omene Asante ayokotoko. Coach na bako there.
Next year no more to my friends.
As a coach you training kakra. Yeah coach what you make? Oh great. Na when you be out ma Ochina Oba Tia of Farmer Club, Asante Kotoko, meaning a young Kwanza Warriors. First of all, time Ban Central, Mono Kotoko, and Bono, Sana Usi Fano.
To me, always want to make a Division 1 a day. I do baby need to also take the challenge. So draw no by at this stage. I think that Nami happy because from this game. So for me, Nami happy.
Oh, okay. But coach, especially players no more sad divisions if it's no normally say be a draw be but no more somebody team can see ba e be mo ho a pejo mo confidence level ni timi ba so ye nya kotoko me yire me ho obu also a na ban kura timi bu say eh na kotoko ye na mo ko share de our training what won sa niam na bia won kra no
oh no be and then I think it will be more the pressure be about so it be most to me take it to me gain that the confidence because it thinks that he also a opportunity to manage also be to me our rubber shouldered with the players now
Silver Sports.
But that then you go so I kasa and then about them say omubeya calm obia so boy against Kotoko the pressure rather makes to be on and say yeah mom the pressure and that's here so at this level so I think we so kata and then we'll continue to talk about it because that what team one never the mileage, 2 confidence level for the future and then player development.
Silver
Now beginning now. It's not only about the win, no party bring out the win, no, but then I think the animal women come a day no cry you pick a day than anything.
No, okay. But coach, obviously, as on level, I will coach him anybody a ball do ye. At the end of Kawa, and as I didn't buy, we'll take a decision on the young Kwanza Warriors. You go to a lower division, then all the team beat is other.
No, but
Silver Sports.
Sometimes I don't no papa. Because it's about the vision, what he wants to achieve for the future, and it's a skill set a human being. Without player development, I enjoy doing that. Time I make Karela, that time there no class square over here. Later on you pursue I get that joy, the
Silver Sports
from nowhere, the started from the scratch, and then now everything identified. So that challenge, I may play that challenge. So for me, it doesn't matter about the level now, We'll be decided on the
Okay.
I want to work.
And to me, I don't want to. Incredible Warriors, more about the console upset, Anna.
No, but on any day, about that.
Silver
Even protocol
Sports.
second string side now will still be too strong for us. But here is the Gateway and FA Cup game, and to me, to me already two the premier clubs are almost follow now, Diana and then Elminasha. Yeah, looking at that, so I gave my long to also come and also try to take advantage the chance to also pick.
Okay. Coach, you better was another playing so go through your training team. You be saying I'm the much in our stadium.
Oh, okay.
Okay. I know you come from Poman, so I am Cross Warriors. I be the much no money Santa Cruz game now. So, any anything come back. And so, and the analysis, where we but say, okay. So I can't come on some go for church on again. I did to game normally you read baby about the game now, and you remember. Africa the other day influence you because I'm going to say me more people cup champions league final me more people job na referee and Kenya then Kenya so se paper upon na the course we change influence you but also fado some call there
Kinda ko pa do
I agree na ade ba ko a eye ba yi kaka me say me name there say ade we have a suggestion man from befa I don't see still the reason why I say team sakese no ebo home and we FA Cup. I think that draw no you see a say aye teams in Ketwan
still
omo no mbe stay wo fie ni ache omo nyina ti Premier League teams na nyeso omo tena fie no omo bo so on person competition no emu ye de pass na yeso omo ye I want say because of self and omo piska the teams in akese the police can deba but ba ko nkuru Ketwan bi so a so what you say e bia we kotoko na Nkuranza Warriors da wo Nkuranza what you say and no crowd boa clubs akese na ma omo supporters na omo re fifi omo a omo nya kwan ma ha no kra na time bia no omo nte FA Cup draw no me woni say da bia ye be wie na aka 16 Premier League teams na omo a na be wo ma nti omo hwe se omo ye Copa del Rey no mo sha se ampin fo no nyina mo kwa we na mo konkra no sa sana ya ba be random draw ya draw no
King reason why here lower division clubs no omo ntumi more say omo venue no and so a factor
so that is ebo no we
omo venue no a factor
nti o pa che say
omo pitch
omo pa che say akonkom mo na we mo no omo standard no any stadium no baby o crap pitch na nje
but o hwe
by a bruchiri a standard be one standard and your crowd be a che hard what I say but o compare akes for na we mo standard na bon e wo form be bre nti e say ya adwen say o na ye say omo parking ye nti omo mebo ha one disadvantage for house ne kotokone clubs akese no and say you still when you support so enkura be ba omo ati say say kotokwa ba nkransa you say house of full call a memo say fa when was the last time I say team be call sir team akese be call omo supporters omo sabi nkura be brase no omo nyina yede omo abakromo what I say omo dey do ba bi akotokwa ba match okumase a omo tuka no omo ba no omo ba be ne mo da bia baba yare no da bia akra de Aleza sa draw na yeso omhweni omma nkura ne mobi wo dey park kro mo provide security o menye so sa teams Nkuranza Warriors betim me kotoko aboba akopokotofo anya possible
Ken penning for now first of all on pitch assembly there second ball 11 won this one into pitch assembly there just like you said untime mfa Ramos and set Benyo and Emma to new company Santiago Bernabeu same thing your class niveau are common pitches they are very very bad and terrible but so far as a league match and Quebec on FA Cup I did the same thing but unfortunately and Penifona or in charge of FA Cup on Omo Cry and Sikenti Omo Benyana Kotokone half neighbor finals and Ken your games are all her pair and then quite almost fast so yelling they want to see the two big clubs in the final for them to enrich themselves.
Almost semi-final.
Oh, that became almost said the Bay Omobina Omobotum dear. Your born so I shall organize tournament to be a baby beer. And then the ultimate for any organization. I am more organizing games. I was the Isika. nti da bia omo pese kotoko ne house na ebo da bia omo pese kotoko ne house na ebo
ya first yo I'm a rent fi say we game say baso Asante go ni new Edubiase Samsung and Ayepia United new Edubiase ko ya cho oh my
yeah the bias ken last year Kenya na so na ke ba league
and almost one okay BA United
Brekumas
hey
big game
BA United Brekumas
big game no big game
I the game is so pan no
yeah
okay man we and Zema Kotoko ne Vision FC out of Lions ne Kotoku Royals out of Lions are check House of Folk Unity Star Academy and so as Bohom Liberty Professionals ne Pro United Media Sporting Club ne FC Samates
Media Mother and one ebo
and so Media Mother
okay
what a senti as go the Bohom
Premier clubs in
as go the Bohom
Hasibo
Liberty Bohom Hasibo
Kotoko
Bohom
Media Mabo
Media Bohom
this is one e buy
Ashanti good Boho
Ashanti go so
one e
what you say yes I am fair to say lower clubs in Ketwan almost school park akram ko ball so what you say Inti the channel, but I just be a United Brekumas
big game
okay so much really baby you better say you better
coronation for
the Apojiska oh baby
and then so
asabo break
King me from insem and King and Black Stars one player I ready so best spend $1 million
why
King player behind I be so best spending $1 million. Ama Black Stars Ghana at the cap no, and just so to bonus, and just say be a parents fee no all the Emma players no.
Adru
A ways and means he is ready.
$1 million
$1 million. He is ready. Give me more.
because as someone they just
He is ready
general captain the Ultra
to spend $1 million.
Ultra trophy no be now never and I say the $1 million
$1 million.
on the last time checking I said £120,000 a week or Swansea City the £120,000 a week that was Swansea City around 3.5 to £4 million a year into $1 million over to
King, he is ready to spend $1 million.
1 million
$1 million.
50 billion
Because
50 billion
yeah,
well,
catch it.
1 million they announced a referee and $500 but I'm going to $1,000 but we don't Benjamin 15 16 18 a brother rather than to me money
King say ni wabo
that be say omo ye true how many years ka for team
no wabo di na wi
ye team na ska for the Asamoah they do Kwadwo Asamoah to the millions of obey ni 1 million so
I'm going to be my camera. King, me 12 minutes.
okay
King, Asamoah Gyan. King, me read my mind say oh you fit against Benia. Asamoah will start. Asamoah Gyan, you fit against Benia. He will start. So on complaining say be any go to baby any ya na say or Philippine e want the time man na bibia. He is going to start.
let just say on your feet
Oh, what's that? Obi anim say Asamoah Gyan onye fully fit sir.
so price
Yeah,
on your feet
What's that?
play your own pride and on your feet
What's that? I told you complaining of a bia pain I want the time.
this is a question so or company pay on the time just to pray and just say prayer and then the man on your feet I don't training okay you trust me
okay say before you your match fitness so match fitness is different from the organ obi o ha be 3 months or more ball and it's our player on lacking match fitness
oh like the story no is not about my fitness so you're fit
and can it is match fitness is still about fitness
maybe mad fitness as a player or you're fit about lucky games only games or more games and on your fit obi o pra obi o pra on your fit o pra on your fit and business say on your fit there based on the working na is any leading say player na dey come on your fit
you can't say something on your fit for our news
but say on prayer there so your fit you need the reason why you play on prayer on your fit Oh, your training regime be all the play about 2-3 weeks. So the free now, you know, I can't remember a coach by Abraham Grant. Abraham Grant. Okay, so the physical instructor,
we have
no other Grant by
Jimmy Lawrence.
You want to be and so okay, yeah. Every coach ball fine and I'm benefit you. Yeah, lose cap to Ivory Coast. Because I and the players in the
They were super.
One more return or second round, they
were super.
Yes, no be out for. Oh, more money because any brother.
Him and now so
Players are on my job or kind of.
Say, I'm going to dinner, Momo.
And Russell,
I work in Kimpiski Hotel.
Kimbiski,
I'm going to dinner. And the
Andy, what found that?
Minimum, okay.
I have found a bishop.
Hey, who pow? What I can see for who?
So because I remember I remember everybody. I was all from
On your mawa. King. Tim the between and you may I could Dubai. Nakin Mammy Rakotoko, I saw a crack. And Dr. Kwame Chase Anna. Window Nibia or no Nabaya. Be a coaching gas and player A, B, C, or no any player and be negotiating. Yeah, on one event negotiations.
But I know some negotiations.
What's the first man? Yeah,
any place in you.
Yeah,
maybe a year negotiations, and then I don't want to do the final decision.
I know taking.
Only taking the final decision. Say, we now with the Abba, judgment, it's not the final person.
But who's that? Maybe I'm paying for an
amendment. Maybe I'm more being for player behind it. And my baby, I'll bet you true or
to the coaching at the player any day.
Player
at the back. Now, the player and the manager, she now on my Twitter, we're just saying, maybe my way. Oh, said Sika Conana decided. So, the Bayer Dumana, he's the coach. If you are not doctor who play a beer, or no bit my walk.
No, says Dr. Dick, what could you ask more? Doctor,
yes. Yeah. Until doctor will be deeply involved. Our player recruitment and negotiations. Now, King has on very reserve a lot of their players against Unistar Academy because he said match or money dear cheaper and Kotoko game. Because Toba country was a person called Africa.
Has to play.
Yeah, Champions League, you know, and now Toby Perse or Mokobo. Go himself configuration day on my Jibida.
Champions League as a Nana Kwame Crown. We know. This is the only quite clear.
I buy.
This is we know.
We have
I buy confirm or be a go between FU. I buy confirm financial team here.
Yes.
Yeah.
No, I didn't know my market to leaky. And I was and yes, will be could be there. I said, will be could be only option. But I buy my one thing will be of Africa. Be only
now here, oh, your man Musano. I saw your man last. Now your man Musano. I saw your man last. King. Sir, and it's not King. Kotoko, I better stay Sony Yakuba.
Okay.
Till has King. Because now Fatal Abdul any around. And see, matches are on the bonnet and say no. Zabu. And Navigator. And the ability Kumasa Santa Kotoko. Attack no. Sony Yakuba there. You see, or Gina Home, obey training, all right.
I will be a man.
Omo head first nearby. Now I said bye and on that Sikano and Yadia so many. That's almost 10 times my brand and so called ya. And then no more
contract like I say.
Oh, come Baby.
Oh, Mako, Naka 9.
Come on, Naka 9.
Oh, say 2 months
into 7. Yeah. It's the next man go with me, Tim Biakasa.
Which machine negotiations?
Which machine
negotiations? Free.
Which machine negotiations?
Living on Nakota Arena.
And a match, no man more.
Oh, that has any here, King. No, Kobo say much we know prayer. Fatal soon anyway. Zabu and I say, Navigator and Wako strike a man. I asked some of the others and Nomoton. And then breaching. I bet it. As I did the end be. Yeah, Kim, you miss this.
Okay. Andy, but the blasters and sense him. Since almost Conde, Yapo, Ghana, and no Quanio. So Andy, so what to Quanaco, asa wakobo o mako tournament bi na wo pe kwanya bagana pa enye yizo sa akro na sabi sabi hu ni say no wo so du kotoka wo so mo ayede asa mo ato bi say
ato pa
so wo tu kwan pa na se bi odi ball na chi
na echa
wo ti kroma na wo keta enti wo du kotoka wo nse de hu ade bi a ho but wo nse na wa okay sanity
obi akro bi ende
very good but and then the team they figure me nim there the right wo hwe ne me call so answer team no if you hu mo biem kopenta mo beko the right preparation you free Ghana and you cannot mentality they ko bibi about players na select them no dey bi on beba and no mo say na felisana say na amampanyin pictures na wa bana nimpa abegina nimo
ono ma bi o ma habi
nten o gina nimo
so no the position no say I said tell goalkeeper
aba ko jipe DM ni
tell goalkeeper ti safi ayi na baba
Fatao ni ami any ass ni no beba
Mohamed Al-Hassan
se bi bien si a o na beba
yes
they were called for political reasons
say
we were on the fellow
Al-Hassan de no
on say
Mohamed Al-Hassan de no
that's a fando
Mohamed Al-Hassan de no kin
because Mohamed
sa mo ya bomba no ache kin
onya has best player me ba say o fatim be our best player meaning positions no be our position here but Fatao clearly sorry Yakuba Nyegane ni what you say o go team no sisiye ya ebi ono na man reject fine some few players but won't think say Fatao kotoko obi ya de eche Fatao ya mfa na nyere amfa na nko de na meti we de no
na ukra na yo
yes I de
Mohamed Al-Hassan na yo
because Onya has best player
yeah
has team no man gazanga
Josephus
so but
they were called for political reasons
obi batten di obi pese be di na tem obi pese be di na tem
fa obi and only balls and a coach you have balls
so na kukudu
bench players obi aka say me na me say me real feedback for the another kotoko ne sportive e wo tem omo simply for the team sheet ne ba na Stephen Odo to bench Aziz Ansah to bench Aziz Boache to bench Nana Hendu am to bench after man been for the coach na doing your man kotoko share 5 until now you pen mu kura no who say that your days are numbered in the club.
That is yes, I did. Nyame Fakra say coach Afani. Our tournament, under 20 tournament, of course,
yeah. Or drop it.
Castella.
Still do Castella.
Ismailado. Yeah, but I
don't know.
I'm Ghana. Ofa Sulemu, Asian mo,
John Mensah
or the Aida Banado.
Yeah. Ban.
I don't go for say I'm banana plane to
Carlos Gilado ye in 1986.
But you share Brazil in the quarter final Ghana for example. And the John Pencil money
Derry Boateng
more. Please
and at 20 there and then form the part of the senior national team. It's year under 20 who you won't say a blaster IDB or check the national teams. Argentina for chances or more loose. Yeah, tip on come to under 20 where are they? And I know Uruguay for one can say and so quite Argentina Omukra tried to be the Uruguayan after Omo Oscar Tabaré, the general manager of their club. That is the reason why Omo did Cesar Luis Menotti about back at the general manager of the Argentina national team.
What are under 20 World Cup in the costume? My time you ready. Country like Panama. But Panama for say I'm crying, you see Bob now. What you said Dutch in the year? Yes. You want that to cry, I change. Oh, how many born the Bobby Gray? But we can crown a born or more bona. What you say, oh, my way. Argentina, the end of Honor. We South Africa, Kakra. Senegal is okay because of academy. Nigeria for Bibi Kakra. What I say about his pain for now was on dear. BBI come out team the year. My baby Uruguay Academy. And crowd 20 years with some bubble come up. There was a list of players or more, and as a team so my qualifying. So our teams are I used so for my qualifying so I under 20 Japan for and South Korea. Asia for no talent in will be great. But what kind of progression are there?
They are spending time to build up proper academies. Or mobile could be there. almost follow the structure of the modern day of football. Until they spend so much to catch up because at their friend the talent is missing from their country. And if you don't have talent, that is what you do. You spend time to build up better academies to catch up.
And the 16 teams are qualify for a year round of 16. Ghana name. Former champions. Since you feel you're saying.
Oh,
Since you're Yakobi, Yakotu. You know semi-final crowd. They're not for Pobamu year.
For Pobamu, I think 20. Moses Ojemodiano. 2013. Oh yes.
Now her countries are
local dean, Paul
Pogba,
Pogba.
Once somebody so proper academy, Jomodo was in video. France, that's how they say 23 players. They move 50-year blacks from African League. Jomodo, yeah, one of my four. And the US Academy here, under 20, or more than money, or more common. Ecuador, Panama. What's the first under 20? Poland, the Mokra on the day. Won't take Poland the winning team. So what you say? O shall we Uruguay, one with Japan, Kakra. Japan, they know more Kobo Monia, they be. And all we name now Brazil for.
Like Brazil qualify.
No Brazil.
Serious.
Even Argentina, no number 1-1. Or more qualify with it. Just we had sack Brazil, Argentina, Ghana, Spain.
Even Germany.
Nigeria, Germany.
So, there's a Panama.
They are those countries and then who are mobile. Vinicius Junior is how many years? Or to Real Madrid. Rodrigo is how many years? He's coming to Real Madrid. Paulino is how many years? He's playing for a final four. Yes, I'm saying that per their talent and then South America for Obishas here, on the king, Renema. What Lucas Moura. But then will be 16 years no sign contract of big club. That is the problem of Lautaro Martinez and all those guys. Giovanni Lewis also. And no now South America for an so quick Argentina. But the advantage is that their teams have proper academies. Even if they don't have the chance to play at this level, they still have quality to build up in the national team. But here can say okay, national team go Kofuba and come out tireless. Newcastle born come Bobby.
Mammy Missa, or the last time I got you're quite under 20. And up Poba okay. And quite why now, I'll be right. Obien, and probably beginning Obia Nipa Baku Crane. Alawamo, Bien Clifford Abuajimu, Obien, Sacramento. Oh, Clifford
Oh, Mexico. Oh, it's over.
Or Mexico.
Baku
Technical director Oti Akenten.
Moses Oji
Director Oti Akenten. You see the word you
I didn't. Sintena. Nanadra Ajinadi.
Okay. And also no. It's Blasta General Andy. Aha, yeah, na for women.
Blasters and Samson can overshare from Yaji captain. Mekan Hanra said,
and the right preparation area.
Ken, no cremudie, no. Say preparation and Casa the best to Dubai, but dear, Yassa say or higher dear corner, answer near dead. Macan Hanra said, you need general captain will be Bia Riasi. Ghana and Kwani are two dim, and a blaster and I remember way back in Kotoko, you say very rich more captains and same, general captain them. But there is no general captain anywhere. That is number one. Number two, national team say Messi deputy in the one. You need deputy or baby. Not captain, national team captain be no I wanna be the actually. Ghana and Kwai will be.
But say Oko club football.
You can national team.
National team, my club football. Oko team be
Omuni be a direct.
So I could read my matches on my captain, the captain. Oko Barcelona matches. On the catch was said, Sergio Ramos, Marcelo, Karim Benzema. But yes, we are Messi. Then back on iPhone say, and you Busquets in the toss. There's somebody said you were going to cry any. That's almost son of my own way, you know. Oko United are almost teams to be British. but national team because of say a one off mo be boy yi ba kwa na mo kono captain is a captain only take decisions be na but I'm not sure say captains me assistant deputy so
the wo kan for Real Madrid
Sakoto for obi
meba
koto captain you
kodo captain ye Frimpong omo ni deputy
oh and you deputy
direct the direct now make can say at Madrid after Ramos and no omo na yi. But Marcelo is the next person I watch with team, so obviously you'll be the next captain.
Maybe until the Omo say, yeah, bomb match, yeah, captain, we know captain. That captain, I'm moving. We never Marcelo, and never want to die in my friend Pong, I'm born. Then it means that player be a bit my copies as Amos or Mo. Now, I'm captain, daddy, because when him said, Amos knew what we know. And I'm a deputy captain.
And I'm a captain, and she said, but it's direct, and I'm in my jump in the walk captain band. Wednesday.
Because now you know.
Reading in the place, no Mujina Park, and it's on that. So what did they make us? It's a direct. Sana what things him say,
Opa say, Yan
Tudi. Yan Casa Barcelona deputy captain, Yajira Piqué, and I said Joe Busquets. Barcelona need deputy captain.
But never, the Omo, name say. Omo yi captains. Tio. That's why I say Omo Babe negotiate here. Just say now you call the captains. You're a captain, no. But normally Omo captain kwanye dey. Emma. Oko most of the big clubs are able to go here. So Omo your negotiation on the Champions League bonus so. Ramos ne ayimo de beko. The first Marcelo. Yem from on kwa amfa ne yede. Enti Omo tell Omo as captains no. Omo here captains into Omo is leaders. Ewo team no. So what you say? It is always Juventus structure now. Sanity. Now some better story about Omo taking decisions say Bazali kwa Omo person somebody Cristiano Ronaldo be the 10th or 4th captain because or leader or by enche but because of any level or sinu wonje. Enti what me no say yen two didn't say there but they are captains. I won't say when you are we know enti e the same thing.
Okay. See a two papa to adie din di jawa it is different from on to adie din or the jawa.
But then I say on to adie din fan jani. Enso say Amos ni wa. Player bia ni wa obetima ko fakoto captain Emra Felisana or make it attempt.
Etina
can him say
yes
he's a captain.
Entina make us direct and the what team mo say wa wa che no. Una wo ye captain.
But that team bia obi a wa che ye man captain.
E far and few. E far and few but opa ye check team sa. E wo wiase nyina. The main captain in the war, the next person or a captain, you will be our check, a team. I'm saying that Lionel Messi need deputy. It need baby, but yeah, because of politics. Any obia or dear anymore or dear couple or you're bold to take decision. You're not deputy captain and a higher over the years or AFCON any tournament I could at the end of it all. Coach say Magic captain na free baby jet in sem mediama did you or no the captain for the tournament a year whether reasons or the buy your beg to man I aim to me pro or the captain see number the dare you or better see a soft way papa we say me pen movie catcher him said he was part of the Black Star Management Committee in 1992 Senegal. Tony Baffo the and soft will be a car. Emma or trace of one in the grandma made us one for Uncle Siaga.
Sir, Tony Baffo captain some.
Ah, yeah, bet.
Antonio Waba angel.
Ah,
and he's soft being a captain.
Soft will be winning by the time I have the name on my phone. Uncle Siaga. Then you said the right mental fortitude and a perfect tactical prowess output obey is better from a coach in the final year. In Tiki, as a modern in the last meeting, or maybe. But no, Kwakuji, Nahinsia, almost all day man. What yet to so be follow the team no to the next to the AFCON airban. Inti whether the players will accept him or he will not accept him, the minimum enemy you more and say the technical bench are in support of the captains, you know. In the king, that is a key factor, and I hope say yeah, coach liberty manage then the name of the game at this particular time. Yeah, Kodiko see the bar how to manage the players in the team because umpo camp for no so I can Kobe. Young boy Kobe. Baby jet. Koda Samoa, baby jet. Into almost so the end of the day you cross for and so into the camp in the team, no the umpo is still exists. So the work of the management committee, because they don't manage anything. But at this time, you need the coach to manage the egos in the team. Zinedine Zidane is not an exceptional coach in terms of tactics, but his ability to manage the egos and the players in the Madrid team and the Champions League means Jose may be one of the greatest in terms of tactics recently. But one team you managing the egos of Manchester United and Otifia Onyedumande. It can managing the egos at camp here very key. It can on that score you believe in Coach Kwesi Appiah say the actual Brazil. The actual on one or coach Ghana in the semi-finals Burkina Faso ye free mono or the biggest yet or Babe Coachy Blasters. They are torn against Congo ha. The day union some other to take it to Tamalino, killing now the base idea. You hope he will not repeat same mistakes. When get down the years, I'm a Ghana, I'm calling no or Bekako repeating in the Afghan and Yakon in Egypt. Into managing the egos of the players is very key at this particular point in time. The next thing, after managing the egos, how to get the best out of your players. Players the one I'll select you. And you'll be the true sumo because Ken, Yenaya got to take Coach Kwesi Appiah. On peer influence be proud to this particular Afcon Ayakon. The open on my yaman. David. Yeah.
So because a player can say, well, on baby, what was job on? I don't want to pay any casa somewhere.
And Konobitin Akasa player and also maybe the American.
And to be influenced.
Okay, the moment was yet.
I don't make us any influence.
And so we are wanting a country so man penny a man by into the Anadi. And I want to make a point that's it. Oh, yeah, na uncle ya on to me, my country, say, yeah, Cono. O man penny influence, na men peneso, and so me did to Muntina uncle ye, go betting I resign.
I saw my about him because I jet.
There became a tenko betting.
Why did they are concerned? Can why dear one cast one commenting one can be added with me, say,
the second and go betting I resign. One resign, and I watch you to my Yahoo meetings in a play and Ancasia. What yatu? A home court, ne flaster house or my corner. And yet some get what yatu. It can after managing the good, the next time the game and I pack up on or park in the summer. When I'll select a place, no, would not need the players about Mobi. Still, I will see you need them. To get the best out of your players. How do you do that? One, you manage them. Secondly, tactics. And that is where
I'm on the top. Also, Dubai. Dubai, okay. Dubai. So, and John Befio. 18 countries, it's every Dubai. It's Dubai.
You can't see a jacket, say will be until we expect the best out of them.
About me, Yankee bonus.
Oh, you just will be. Can you inquire for be a chat?
10
The
Be for fisher, 5,000.
Oh, there we can. And I enjoy 5,000. I $10,000.
But the employee for today.
Okay.
You want me to radio so until the minimum is 5,000.
Okay.
And I did.
Miss Mary remote, I say 10,000.
Was okay.
The 10 and you could 500 million for 90 minutes against Benin. And Yakutia. Until we expect the best from them. 500 million. Yes. For 90 minutes.
And you're the back city.
Okay, $10,000. I'm wasn't problem. I'm who your man I acquire to know.
I say, I don't know, 50,000 Ghana. I have 500 million.
And I'm saying 50,000 Ghana. None of us can 5,000. What do you need? But you can't get 200 million. It came. A key we expect. And I can't be catching Coach Kwesi Appiah. So tournament na aye bonu nyina omo say ya ye ntimi na omo money aketefo no ntinketo ane de fetire saa ne ye de ba ko bi atom ne apon saa but it drew me many more it drew see a free group stage and the okese ne ba ko ye group the last time as ko sia kese ba ko group no omo de ato your level kama
okay
that was Egypt
your friends you me that say. But you don't go kakra because you go so into the lines now to Nagana for fracture margin. But also for lectures and saying Kotokone has a game no. Say meeting no na the watching saying one of 40-30 and as I say.
Still 40-30.
So 40-30.
40-30 now.
The go of Raja to so Makakobo.
I saw much work at the abroad. They are yet to respond.
Labor, yeah, and not make some big a year could pay for.
They are yet to respond.
Sir, you know,
So the one now.
and normally require us some
They are yet to.
no more reasons to be the same.
Say, Omoni to quite. It's a more mood to quite and say, Ominia percentage of good process more.
No, it's all money clear. Because the Corofo say clear and can wear news. And into a over tournament, I don't first. And into my better tournament. Who crew is one the first. Ube move up, far flight. Alcohol, a year for so. Nina, I can't be a Nina, what you say. But let no more trend in a minute of credit. It's near money. I am near market. Many so almost expectations are you. So what you say. And the Cotogo for your more canoe. I am supposed to be a more the far, but and can go for no market mentality in the Casania.
Yeah.
So now I can't cry you home. No, I don't know once and no, maybe man. Oh, I cry to go home.
Says I'm a Libya supporters.
I know supporters. I dear not to Ghana. Now it is a Omokano, now that I will say,
the last time I got to go to Accra, oh, yeah, Suka Martin.
Yeah, Suka game.
Suka, Basuka was a check.
Oh, that 2 years.
2 years.
That was the last time I got to go to our class. 2 years.
Until I saw Moko Molusu and I saw Moko Molusu. These are matches for a boy in a shilling as in
Last last 2 matches, you know, I think last 5 matches I got to go as a Bunyombo Kumasi. 1, the 24 for my boy and a draw. Second, the Franklin Tar, the Benjamin Futumo Bar, Humble Panati Kotoko. Third one, dear, and I'm the American, the Cobna, a man, Fatal pass or the 2 markets to edit 2 mono. And 2-0, you know. The last 5 games I got to go as a Kumasi.
4-0.
Let me see 2-0.
Send you 1 game. Okabuma info.
And 1 game.
Some okay.
Ken.
Some okay.
Yeah, Ken.
Some okay.
Ken.
Microphone there. 2-0, no phone.
And also more mind say, woman away, a bonafide. And I tell you who said, I don't find Ken, I bring a home to that. Now, you don't move too much in a home away there. Bono, no booby home, any woman away. Yes, a woman away, Zanny and Momra. I am wondering one Ken, you move behind you are here. Yet the end they were so. Sadly, no, my that Danina, yet Piety. Kotoko, I did you her, or Yena Ken, say 1 more year now. Who is a baby Omoka and say, Slumber dear or 2 pound on this day. So, Omoka and Candy. Omokasa ko for akotako minya na etro na nya dukre eyesas ayi strategy bi omofa e na obo wa say ye concrete ye so mako ye sei omu di kaba ko sikwam na ya ni nyina ya tra na ayi ye ho anu ma bechiche bible bi amayen obo wa say na oh ye patu chicken
na say dia na majority ba na ade we see ma mu say hu o mu
Ken
na say o be ka kire me me wa Bona, that's a boba. Much of the Amazon before.
And the ebebum, embassy,
and now Omonimo Babo. And almost you, but in a crown, your mono, who made away. Eh, was on Chassis. There be no be only budget to mention for the order.
Kotoko, who are deep who are baby a friend saying, wo Pusikono, a woman piano. Home and away now, Wakano. A strategy or per home back of no. No, what you might be a so. And the mobile home and away, no dear tree. And yet, your home and away the bedma. And I can only Kotoko, I never call there. A poor Munani at Felisana. What you want to do? Oma Yin, Mutari table, Omini.
Until Fatao and Felisana or
Omoko, the Kuom, and no more pest strategy. Ah, nothing a minute, no one's an anomaly. What happened in them? Yakuba.
Mentality.
Oh, Yakuba is on the couple of the
now, Yakuba, for no.
Mr. What Yakuba Bomach, yes, I show.
I don't make us a phone, I don't need
I'm just king. Yakuba Omugini, Naseko or Bay, Nimon and Svenny. Woman, ye buy no Beshibuno, Bacozono, one Shibu, and it was to be playing. Say, 3 matches, Bacopen was Shibu, and Yimina, baako so wafia bra eti Yakubu no ni modi mo no say won dey out na nipa ni hu pa no Emmanuel James wonu kwa no hwehwe ma yen se me ansifo no ankofa ayi adi hwehwe mu gya no bi ama me nya le meti ase ayi mu kan se kura doping test no
be place ni doping
I was say ayi Emmanuel James doping test
mu nyina
ye doping test
okay
ai e bi se ni America na okọ no ye ti bobol tum wo hwe serious sprint ko tan pa no ho a se bibi nkan ho a e be agin ken me na ka se wo ken ye ni abri pa o oh me se pe fo bi wo ga na ho ko fam na
o de no ne bobo
me de me ka so de no wo be se ye hwe no wo mo checking the America no a wo se bobol tum a uti se oni akonu ligi kakra si do be se be sign pa ko mo no wo nya bibi nkan mo ti ko se pa ko
sa house attackers no
ai
ye eso mo ne yi omo fa ho e se de yi afa
ai so mo ye sharp omo de no omo de America na meka o woni de America na wo ko no na meka
America be na so
ah wonu ye obi o ha ye Joseph eso ni humodin won ni tin yo ye no mo wo ye bobo tuma si do be si adan wo bobo no obi je eye strategy or flare or flare
okay
Joseph eso or flare etu onu de no enye bi ni Emmanuel James di America eti se amafo ka mbafo be hu di America se ikiwom bibi wom eje Emmanuel James wa bobo no sa America na sonte bure am study yo America na okono apart from America no onya hwe me patch se ye ni ombobo no a sa do Peters machine se bi ni kan ham kope bi na
Jafi nko
yo obi a
mo ko te so mo bo Africa no
ai
mo Africa say ye ni test say mi kana
ye one test
ye ni test
ai ye test
na mo ko dem for two ka Robert Boateng
Javi hwe yo Americano ye obi ani America hwe omo ko America Ghana football mu ye wa ipe o ye wa Robert Boateng o ye fa Emmanuel Javi ka o ani ye wo Thomas Boateng Diantry omo nya future for nko a na ye wo de odi ball no kwa o ko speed ani ye wo de ball tu ba o di speed ko fa oh the different room no anu de ka speed Emmanuel Javi de no o de ball kwa o tu ko speed di de botum na wakofa no wa pull out wo be du kan no na je wo no so tu bo a wo ba to net
ntidi ntima o ka so mo re
eti kotoko sese kotoko pa no ayi ko no felisana ko no o mu kie ye o mo ni dance Emmanuel Javi
na mo ko wani asin Yakubu na share mo
Yakubu
say Yakubu
oh Yakubu uniform Yakubu uniform
media mama ati yo she go need 2 weeks
oh media mama ati o she say o she go we o ba e ene no o to gusi ni nan ko akodi do ise aga na kwa ye ayi
okay
I'm not going to go to no.
The doctor is down quite.
I think doctor one and
what?
Ah,
okay.
Me doctor one and
they were scientists.
Oh, me can via sama so baako. E kuro bi na na gi se achi amam.
They were scientists.
Me tell me ye me hwetwe mu a
they were scientists.
Andy, ye uri se me ka je. Be ye ayini mi ni wo habu ne nam. Foto di be na wo habu no.
Last week there.
Ah, last week me ne nam.
Na so now for the
me ba o ne wa have now say
oh me ni na concentrate you feel on samba emergency na me ba bi tia madam for Dr. Lee no so be dey report me it me need digin komo a ti o ko tia mo din komo na mfre me nipa kan say menya wo habo ha na say dey na me so unya tia ni some dey no an na bi woni ma tia be me sa it was the defensive blunder wow Mr. Wahab the trading blunder and you come on the penalty woman are you calling for your penalty me boa Andy woman calling for team you on your penalty
and
RT sec woman are sec calling for no ball is that
and the referee
and the referee and also because and the referee Andy so that c'est the Ghana football pa yeah ka oh na say de bia kin record dan ko ameka say ye beti ayi o so mi boa nye ne top e group
o kan maro e card ne Joseph so Paulo Dybala and last Alasa Magadi Virgil van Dijk check up ya di Sergio Ramos ne manu na Sergio Ramos na say the money of him the money of him it is Virgil van Dijk Mabla Lassa King
Who share has a more football I have on my area. Who the hell me bois? Has a selection obey and miss it. Has a selection obey and miss it me bois. Say a ye, mammy selection crowd. We come to
Bonnie. Dainty.
oh, and
Ahmed Alasa.
which would I me bois. And you are. It's about Bonnie who can get to best get to with your own one. Bonnie. Oba has a part 2 over and then who team for 2 young compared to your body. If you have a chance to be any more, King, if you have a chance to be any more, or back to going on so, or called was Okunuso, and what has a big muso. Shall we live Denty? For Botria will be a you will pull out the net air. I put to her, Manapo, and I'm set upon. But you call me Boom. Yet the enemy show Kotoko said, and yet Felicana Beda, a friend saying, Mutari Tegu, one look while go or die, and your money and your friend saying, I'd go, I'll go be sent almost on Yadi. If you are double you, on no better. And the kids of Jackass has a phone name, a Casabato at all. Has a phone name, a battle. To be beer me Tomwa. No matter and Crawa, a battle, Mrs. Samanu da. Oh! Now, Liverpool. I'm not going to say, I say, there's such a eternity for the assassin. Yes, sir. Some boy, Munka. Now, because the phone about 20 boy. For some years, a year decade. Wafa. And I used to give 4. Then see him crying by Mamma 4. 4 for the dynamic to me, couple of them. Oh, for that way IGP. If God permit. Senior me pa and album. Me nane IGP if God permit. 84 na above today. Senior me pa for the bum. Now if God permit I can say Ken.
What's some of say protocol 4.
Only.
We now say senior me pa.
Oh,
what's some ya?
Tie Ken. Mama
senior me pa. Mo be protocol 4 ne.
Me kwa no
be protocol 4 ne.
Ken.
You mu dia na.
Me tie me nyame fa nche me. The man can never find him say, a baby and a minute decay. Now, me saying, I'm home. Saying, I'm a pa, and also make a.
So quick.
King, oh, maybe a free man. Minamano, and Yamina decay, and a manocopa, and me, in your near people. Oh, the bitch, saying, I'm a pa, or you got to be a minute, a year. Be being a minute decay. Oh, the better tree. I'm a moi, me the best of me, I know. Me the best of me also be a minute decay, and a manocopa or to me. King. Kotoko se mo kika no boti nyina no ke mo se unu wada bo mo friend ho sama ya tema e den ya de besa na ni udi di sama ya tema se obeda se bia no di oni so unu wani ate on timi nada
udi di sama ya
ai kotoko fo omu na esere tamwa ye pe omu no tamna so ken utimi no de he akola odoji se ya e ankurati mina bikati o ken akola wa doji a yan kurati etitama ye pon ni sa kom no wo de stadium ye ebrebia no mbobo no hwe no ho de bro mo so a en ansi kolukwa no omo ma ko do protinu am de se ebrebia omo ko ye ai mam ko ayi confederation ko boye en mam tinu o de omo so to pure letter ko ye afi de letter we de a pascal anyi ye se de yan kra ho no mbobo na enso so me tinye de be te sa bo ado ka se ye better see place ni bi no ye resi place bi ne etina so ka ho ye nim hwe kwa no oh me ye coach aso asem ke be ka bi omutie a che se ye ka se ye ne yifo ayi ankitifo boy na si ayi o se ka kofo ya fa eniema ken me kan pia me se otuwe kwa na woni oyiri kwa na woni ne ko na wo basiri bia fato ase na se no pese oyire wa do go mase ye nya ni sa e wo bi se kofo na mo bo me academy for no so mo ti say ya wafafo ye academy ya wafafo etinya ne be jeje ho na mum ye bota match ni wi a ye nye simande mu kono a obia for two support bia for two e dem pa bo no do titi ball kura mo fa ne ka ho
so mo koi better say ka na so ya so mo koi no be fa ko so no and send me brain so you the fuck of the video and to Magana for and your culture, what you said you can do to anyone. Nabi and Nami 7 p.m. You were for Champions League final. All ladies, I just pause a bar, everything I make. New Orleans, not just a making lean, the whole energy making fee, and so a bounty, a more rain fee. One of the like commentary going to give a share when you're not come on. A movie on Baboso, now Anna Jim Anthony Joshua, also and Tokano, and so to be up to till you hear about we are waiting at time, copying time. Joshua and Andrew Rosen and so everything else. So, if I call Scacra, somebody can do 2 Jano. The patrol met me afraid 0244 19 49 20 0244 19 49 20 and I'm going to my 0245 99 55 19 0245 99 55 19. See, you're me afraid. So, I now so I'll do a test message. Your prediction, no befaso. You know, so predictions are not dorsal. You probably be breeding, predicting. You bet my choir so bad for me, Facebook or now our predictors or so television, the audio, the patch, I want to be among. Maybe I'll swear to me, I come, Mamma, what's up on more getting in you won't say test messages and a dorsal. The one mention saying for course, no, they eat the Ghana for, and so Eka. Okay, Ali? Yes, I was. But you're into it. Okay. Well, that's it. I'm going to follow that call. Ali? Yes, sir. Good morning. Sana koto for huno. There, that's it. But that's super, bro. Your friend is trying to find that call, Ali. But you're into it. Yeah, baby, you're jamming now, you, but I'm a so crammy. But okay, sir. Okay, boss, me that's it, Ali. Boss, you into? me da se people be so ready. My father da call ale. Yeah, yes sir, I'm patching you. Okay, Michael. Mr. Anka, what testimony is our line our friend 0245 99 55 19 is why? Because you have a text messages in Nadia, you know. But that's a people. And I'll bet you my Kosobe FM Facebook call and our support with me. And I will not. I come. Ale. Good morning, sir. But that's a boss. Oh, okay. Can't find for the television out to so be strong. Can we me your prediction text message for the same line as one KP? Okay. Me say oh you are betting in the Sadia man you are Ale. Good morning, sir. Let me do number, sir. Okay. What's the why no why? Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. 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 Boss, I say, yeah, that was, And I'm kind of progression now when you'll be home. The minutes for your tournament, okay. Okay. Yeah, for prediction, if I text message my DCP boss and you can crowd the pray. Halle? Yes, sir, boss. Okay. Andy DCP, my man father da colare. Yes, sir. Okay, that's it. Nana BD day, Eddie, no. Oh, by you to answer my why? Yes, sir. Good morning. Okay. So now the text message, dear, my now be a come. Mamma Fakola, we are boss. Okay, well, boss, me da si pi ma me fa another caller na on fa na di number. Opa yin to aso ma why? I am why the text message am right. Okay, boss. Me da si pi sa ko di number. Holly. Okay, ma me fa we say we dey na here radio. But you into. Okay, boss, me da si pi ma me fa another caller no.